In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Update failed and you face this exact error code on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you have to do is just go to your settings. So just go inside search and type in settings, open settings from the best match, expand this, then in the search, type troubleshooter and just go to troubleshooting settings. From here, just go inside other troubleshooters. From here, under most frequent, you'll find Windows Update Troubleshooter. Just run this. This is gonna scan the Windows Update Troubleshooter for you, and if it finds any problem, it's gonna fix it for you. Just give it some time. And after that has been done, you can just close this out and close this as well. And after that, what you can do is just go ahead and go to your search and search for cleanup, and you'll get this cleanup in the best match. Just open this up. Then just select your system drive and click on OK. And after you have done that, you should select everything from here and click on Clean Up System Files. Click on your local disk, which is your system drive, and click on OK. Wait for it to calculate everything and scan through all your system. Then make sure everything is checked from here. Check everything and click on OK. Click on Delete Files. Just give it some time. It's gonna delete all the unnecessary and useless files in your system and free up your system. This will allow Windows Update to update smoothly without giving any error code. So there you go. It has done that. Then just go to Services. So just go to Search and type Services. Open it from the best match. Then search for Windows Update. So just search for Windows Update. There you go. Just right click on it and click on Properties. Let's make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. Click on Apply, click on OK. And after that, if it's stopped, just click on Start to start it. And if it's already started, just click on Restart. And then close out all this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, what you can do is just go ahead and run your CMD and click on Run as Administrator. And after that, in here, type sfc/scan now. Just type this, which is sfc/scan now. And after you run this, it's gonna scan your system and try to find any changes or problems in your system and try to fix them. So just run this, and after that, restart your PC again, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to fix Windows Update problem and facing specific error codes on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.